January is a good time to do this because January is turning a new leaf on a new year. It would be good to come up with a review. Ano yung nangyari nung 2025? Ano ang mga tama at maling ginawa natin? Para hindi na natin ulitin yung mga mali at pag lubos-lubusin natin yung mga tama. So that's one. That's very important. Second, it's also a good time to also really make sure what will perform and for us to be participating in what will perform. So clear, we have to focus on all of these things para naman yung journey natin mas komportable. Kasi mahirap po yung parang roller coaster. Parang, ito mas mataas ang kita, tataya ka doon. Ito mas mataas, tataya ka doon. Alam niyo, may analogy ako dyan, pag minsan, yung mga palipat-lipat ng fund. Para kang Trishan sumakay ng jeep Tapos pagsakay mo, huminto. Tapos impatient ka. Dahil nakikita mo ang daming dumadaan, di ba? Bababa ka. Pagbaba mo, sumakay ka ng bisikleta. Umaandar yung bisikleta pero mabagal at bibiglang tumakbo yung jeep. Ang bilis-bilis na. So parang, di ba po, mas maganda is that we have a position based on our risk parameters. We have a position that matches our goals. And again, Rampber can help you with that. And dapat po, tingnan natin what our options are. Sa Rampber Online, clear na clear. Pwede na kayo on your own. And napakababa Trisha ng minimum for them to start.